Welcome back. Today we're doing a deep dive into something that keeps our homes standing strong and, well, dry. We're talking about perimeter drainage systems. How do you actually manage all that water trying to get into your foundation?
It's a big one, especially in certain places.
Exactly. And our main source for this is the Pacific Blue Mechanical website, which gives some really good insights. So, our mission today, let's unpack what this system is, why where you build matters so much, thinking particularly about tricky spots like Whistler and what the real benefits are.
Okay, so perimeter drainage, let's start there. It's basically a system designed specifically to stop water from messing with your building's foundation.
Right, not just surface water, you mean?
No, deeper than that. Think perforated pipes with holes in them buried around the foundation. Then you've got gravel around those pipes and sometimes special drainage mats. It all works together to catch water before it pushes against the foundation walls.
Okay, intercepting it. And the source, Pacific Blue Mechanical, really zeroes in on Whistler. Why there?
Well, Whistler's got that, unique mountain climate. Think heavy snow in winter, big rainfalls, lots of water.
Plus the melt, right? Like near Whistler Mountain when all that snow melts.
Exactly. That snow melt can just saturate the ground super quickly. If your house is on a slope or the soil doesn't drain well naturally, you could be looking at flooding issues around the foundation if you don't have a good system.
And the source mentions specific soil types too, like clay or rocky soils.
Yeah, that's key. Those kinds of soils make drainage much harder. Water doesn't just flow through them easily, so you can't just dig a trench and throw in a pipe. It needs a plan tailored to that exact spot.
So it's really about knowing your local conditions. You need a system that fits your specific environment.
Absolutely. One size definitely does not fit all here.
Okay, let's connect that need, that localized approach to the payoff.
Mm-hmm.
Why should someone invest in a potentially more complex, customized system? What are the big wins?
Right, the so what? Well, there are three major benefits that came up in the research based on what Pacific Blue Mechanical outlines. First up is just protecting your house from damage. Water getting into the foundation. That's bad news.
Expensive news, usually.
Very expensive. Proper drainage stops that water pressure, keeps the foundation stable, prevents cracks, basically avoids those huge repair bills down the road. It keeps the structure sound.
Makes sense. Protection first. What's benefit number two?
Healthier air inside your home. This one's big. If the area around your foundation is constantly damp, you're creating a perfect breeding ground for mold and mildew.
Yeah, nobody wants that.
Exactly. And it's not just the musty smell. Mold can seriously impact indoor air quality, leading to health problems. So keeping that moisture away is really important for a healthy living space.
Especially in wetter climates, I imagine. Like Whistler again.
For sure. In places with high humidity or lots of rain and snow, actively managing that moisture around the foundation is critical for good air quality.
Okay, so we've got protection from damage and better health. What's the third big benefit?
This one's about value, your property's value. A house with a solid, dry foundation, protected by a good drainage system, it's simply worth more.
And probably easier to sell too, right?
Definitely. Plus, you're looking at lower maintenance costs over time. So the Pacific Blue Mechanical info frames it as a smart investment, a prudent choice for homeowners.
Makes sense. Protects the structure, protects your health, protects your wallet in the long run. Are there warning signs if your system isn't working right?
Oh, absolutely. The source points out some clear red flags. If you see water pooling near the foundation after rain or puddles that just stick around, that's a sign. And inside, that classic musty smell in the basement or crawl space, that often means moisture's getting in somewhere. Those are signals you need to investigate.
Good to know. So to recap our deep dive, we've seen perimeter drainage isn't just plumbing, it's a tailored defense system. Especially vital in challenging places like Whistler, where the climate and terrain demand customization, and the payoffs are huge. Protecting the building, keeping the air healthy, and boosting property value. All points emphasized by the info from Pacific Blue Mechanical.
Right. It really comes down to understanding the specific pressures, water pressure, soil type, climate acting on your foundation.
Okay, final thought for our listeners, building on what we learned. The source really highlighted how tricky rocky or clay soils are for drainage. So think about this. If you're looking at a house or maybe planning to build, how much does knowing the exact type of rock or the density of the clay right underneath change the game? How does that deep, granular knowledge affect the tools, the design, the steps you need for real, long-lasting protection? That seems to be the difference between just a drain and a truly effective defense.